What do we mean by accessibility? It means making the content of websites available to all people, including those with disabilities. What kind of disabilities are we talking about? Well, being blind and not having the use of your arms or hands, for instance, is going to make using the internet more difficult, but it should not make it impossible. Computers can read text, and you can control a computer with more than just a mouse or a keyboard. There are many specialist input devices tailored to individual needs, ones that don't need hands. Consider somebody who is blind. They cannot see the monitor. In fact, they may not even need a monitor. Their computer can have screen reading software that can read to them what is going to be on the screen. Also, consider somebody who's deaf. A video isn't much use if all they see is people moving around and things happening on the screen. So we should provide alternative content for them, perhaps subtitles or a text version of the script of what the video is about. The key thing is to provide alternative content for people with disabilities of the form that they can access. Have a quick look here at a video from the BBC talking about screen reading software. The user's computer is taking care of converting text to sounds, but when creating a website, we need to make sure that we've included alternative content for any pictures that the screen reading software just cannot read. Now that means alternative content for pictures, videos, and other visual medium. So now we're going to have a look at a website. Here we've got a website, it's the BBC's website, and you can see their pictures all over the place. These are there to illustrate or give more depth to the story involved. Well, there is alternative content, and we can look at the alternative content by turning it on. Now, by pressing F12, I can look at the images thing here and view what's called the alt text, alt standing for alternative. And you can see the alt text by each picture is giving us a little message about what that picture is about. If you remember from the screen reading ones, we had the weather forecast. There's one at the top here. Now, how hard is it to add alternative content to a web page? Very easy. Going back to my pizza order form, I want to put in a pizza picture. I've got it stored down here, and all I do is drag that up onto my web page and drop it in there. And I get immediately a key that I should be putting in alternative content. And so I'm going to put in this is my pizza logo and OK. If you forget to put the alt text in at that point, don't worry, we can always add it in later. If we simply click on the picture, in the properties at the bottom, you'll see the alt text is there again. This is one way we can help make sure our websites have alternative content and are accessible to all people.